and welcome back. I'm Ava.
And I'm Cash.
And today we are reviewing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner. This is the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner. This shoe cleaner can get things such as scuff marks, dirt, and stains off of your shoes. This cleaner also makes your shoes look brand new again.
This is very easy to use and it's not that expensive.
As you can see, these are the before and afters of my shoes. The top is the before and the bottom is the after. The top is green and muddy and the bottom is white. It looks brand new again. Okay guys, thanks for watching.
We post weekly, so please click on one of these too if you like our content.
Bye!
Bye!